How many rooms does a private residence really need? In Los Angeles, one legendary estate answered with a number most people can barely imagine: 123 rooms. Welcome to the Manor, a 56,500 square foot chateau hidden inside Holmby Hills. Built in 1991 for television producer Aaron Spelling and Candy Spelling, the estate was designed less like a house and more like a private world. It has 14 bedrooms and 27 bathrooms, but the real story is what happens between them. There is a nightclub, a hair salon, a massage spa, a tanning room, a bowling alley, and a wine cellar. Outside, 4.7 acres unfold through rose gardens, citrus orchards, koi ponds, fountains, a swimming pool, a spa, and a championship tennis court. More than 100 cars can be parked on the grounds, and reports said a staff of about 30